Welcome! In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use the iMacros plugin for Firefox to record a web session, how to set up and test a sensor in AlertFox based on the recording, and finally we'll conclude with a quick review of the AlertFox control panel. Okay, let's get started. We've already installed the iMacros plugin for Firefox in our browser. You can download the plugin from the AlertFox site or from the Mozilla add-ons page. In the lower left, you'll find your tools to capture, playback, and edit a recording. We're going to use iMacros to record a shopping session on Amazon.com. Scroll down and press Record on iMacros. Now we're recording our web session. We'll look for some books on web application development. This one looks good. As you're recording your web session, you can see the session details being captured in iMacros. Let's go ahead and add these 3 books to our cart. So before actually completing the transaction and purchasing the books, I'll stop the recording and save it. Once it's been saved, it will now appear in my list of recordings on iMacros. Now that we're done with our recording, we're ready to log into AlertFox and set up and test our new sensor. I've already set up a 30-day trial account, so I'll go ahead and log in. The first page provides basic information about your account. We're going to choose Sensors to set up our recording file. We need to provide some basic information to set up our sensor. We'll name it Amazon, and to keep it simple, we'll accept the default values for interval and for timeout. Now we need to add a recording to AlertFox. So let's test it. As you can see, AlertFox shows that it ran successfully. When it's completed, the last screenshot in our recording is displayed. If you'd like to see your test results in more detail, just click on the Performance Log button. Now that our recording has been set up as an AlertFox sensor, let's take a look at reporting. This is the Tactical Overview report. It shows us how well our sensor performed hour by hour over the course of a day. We can see that it's performing well within the limits defined during our setup. Now let's look at the Web Transaction Performance Report, also called the Graphics Report. This shows us how our sensor is performing in detail as well as any errors. Let's conclude this tutorial with a quick review of the AlertFox control panel. From this tab page, you can add images to test Flash or Java applets, add contacts for alerts, add additional users, as well as configure basic account settings. Subscriptions. Here you'll find a summary of the different options available. After that, we have iDrones. iDrones extend your ability to track web application performance by enabling you to create sensors and monitor from inside your firewall. Is getting started. Here you'll find more information about setting up and configuring AlertFox. And with that, we'll conclude our tutorial. If you have any questions or need help creating your own recording or setting up a new sensor in AlertFox, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@alertfox.com. You can also review our web monitoring wiki for tips and for more information on web application monitoring in general. Thanks for watching.